Ritchie's Fabulae Faciles, episode 15:1. We begin this new part of the story. Hercules escapes sacrifice. We'll read from the beginning, de Hercules, down here through the end of the third line, consue verat, and then translate and analyze. De Hercules haec etiam inter alia nardrantur, olim dum iter facet, in finis Aegyptiordrum venet, ibi rex quidam nomine Busiris, illo tempordre regnabat, hic autem vir crudelissimus homines immolardre consueverat. So now a quick translation. About Hercules, these things also, among others, are related. Once, while he makes a journey to the borders of the Egyptians, he arrives. There, a certain king named Busiris at that time was reigning. But this guy, hic autem vir, very cruel guy, had the habit of burning people alive. We start with the preposition de, which is taking Hercule in the masculine singular and ablative as its object. Then we get the subject, haec, neuter plural, and nominative. About Hercules, these things also, then the prepositional phrase inter alia, and alia is neuter plural accusative. These things also, among others, nardrantur, are described. This, of course, is from the verb naro, narrare, its first conjugation, and this is going to be a third plural, present, indicative, and passive verb. Then we get the new sentence. Olim, once upon a time, a subordinate clause, dum iter facet, while he makes a journey. Facet, of course, is third conjugation io, facio facere, like so. It is the Greek verb poieo, of course, and its object here is iter. Iter is going to be neuter, singular, and accusative. It is a third declension noun. So where does he make this journey? Well, while he's making this journey, in finis Aegyptiordrum venet. Finis is going to be masculine, plural, and accusative. Now, the third declension, perhaps a little-known fact, the third declension accusative can be is or ace. So here it is is, because it's accusative within, and then we have Aegyptiorum, masculine, plural, and genitive. He arrived at the boundaries or the borders of the Egyptians. The adverb ibi, there, rex quidam, masculine, singular, and nominative. That's our subject of regnabat. Then we have in apposition Busiris in the same gender numbering case with the ablative noun nomine introducing the appositive. There a certain king by the name of Busiris, illo tempore. This will be a neuter singular and an ablative of the point of time. At that time, regnabat. Regnabat is first conjugation. That is regno, regnare, and here it is going to be third singular, imperfect, indicative, and active. He was reigning or he was ruling. We get a little bit more information about him before the end of the sentence. Autem, but, or however, hic vir, this man, this crudelissimus, this very cruel man, these three words are going to be masculine singular and nominative. They are the subject of consueverat. Hic and crudelissimus modify the noun vir, and crudelissimus, of course, is gradus superlativus. It is a superlative adjective. So this very cruel man, moreover, consueverat. This is from the verb consuesco, which means to get used to something or to make a habit of something, and its third conjugation. With this ending, as you can see, this will be third singular, it will be pluperfect, indicative, and active. This very cruel man, however, had gotten himself into the habit. The habit of what? Homines immolardre. Immolardre means to burn alive, and it is taking as its object homines, which of course is masculine, plural, and accusative.
Thank you so much for watching this free video. I hope that you learned a lot about the classical languages and advanced your knowledge and enjoyment. You can help us keep going with this instruction if you like this video and subscribe to the channel. We've had hundreds of thousands of views in the last 9 years, and we would really like to grow our number of subscribers. If you hit the little bell, you will be notified every time we release a brand new free instructional video. You can also check out one of my Latin or Greek courses at LatinPerDiem.com or mossmethod.com. Check the links if you'd like to study Latin and Greek with me directly. So keep learning, and vale tote omnes.